Dodge is guaranteeing to take your Hellcat from 707 horsepower to 885 horsepower and give you a full warranty on all parts and labor via the new Dodge Direct Connection program. Why do you even need a demon? Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Knockout 360 here, Knockout 360 with another video for you guys. So as you can tell, I'm in the car. That makes this a car vlog. You already know what's going down when I come around. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. Car content, car shows, car reviews, car meets, and anything and everything car related happens on this channel, right? So if you're into that, make sure that you stick around because you're in the right place. For everyone else, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you know what's coming out and when it's coming out. So let's talk about it. Dodge just recently, let's see here, January 26th, which was the day before yesterday, dropped the official numbers and stage tunes and parts list for the new Dodge Direct Connection program, right? So if you're not familiar with Dodge Direct Connection, it was a program that was initially started in 1974, launched at Dodge dealerships, serving as factory source for performance parts and technical information to get the most out of your Dodge race car. They initially stopped that, or originally stopped that in Dodge in 1987 when it was rebranded as Mopar Performance Parts, right? So that's where the Mopar aspect comes in, but they have now brought it back in 2022. And this is as part of the whole 24 months of muscle program that they're putting on, where basically they're going to just offer you everything, including the kitchen sink, throw the baby out with the bath water for the next 24 months up until, as you know, the inevitable electrified muscle, right? So let's go ahead and get into it, man. We talked about briefly what Dodge was kind of planning for this direct connection program, some of the parts that they were going to be offering. Long story short, the benefit of the direct connection program is everything is OEM, right? Everything's directly from Dodge and Mopar factories, right? And everything gets done at a Dodge / Mopar service dealership. So not every dealership has this ability, right? They're calling it the power broker. So some dealerships will have the ability to service your car and offer these direct connection program or whatever. Not all dealerships have that ability. So you'll have to find out in your particular city and state what dealerships are offering this service and which ones are not. Obviously go to the ones that are. But let's talk about it. So one interesting thing about what I'm reading here is nowhere in the article does it mention the Charger. Everything literally says Challenger Hellcat, which is perplexing because it's like, I can't see you doing one and not the other. I can't see you taking every Challenger Hellcat and Red Eye to 885 horsepower and leaving the Chargers in the dark, considering our cars are damn near identical. I mean, probably up to about 95% identical. But let's just assume that maybe this is an editor's issue. Maybe he didn't specify Charger. Maybe he just thought that, you know, the Challenger was going to speak for everyone. I don't know, but let's talk about it here. So Direct Connection will be offering not only tunes, but stage kits. And when you combine those, that's when you get the most horsepower out of your car. The tune, which is the electric, which is the software, and then the kit itself, which is parts, mechanical aspect of modifying your car. This may be a long video because Dodge is really throwing everything at you here. Direct Connection tuner and OBD2 engine tuner that allows Dodge cars to download a variety of 50 state legal tunes. So once they give you that tune, at that point, you'll be able to download all kinds of software to your car. They're all 50 state legal. Not that that's important. Nobody cares. When it comes to legality and Dodge cars, nobody cares. So starting off here, pre-stage kits will add 5 horsepower to the Hellcats and Red Eyes by way of recalibration, and it gives the Red Eyes new thermostat and air cleaner. So that's the pre-stage kit. Something simple is probably the cheapest of the programs or cheapest of the kits. Like I said, the pre-stage kit offers 5 horsepower to the Red Eyes and the Hellcats by way of recalibration. So essentially, they're just going into the software and recalibrating some things, making things more efficient, making sure that they divert some of that power elsewhere where it could be better used, giving you 5 horsepower, new thermostat, and the air cleaner for the Red Eye. So stage 1, so the pre-stage kit in stage 1 pertains to the Red Eyes and the Hellcats. Stage 2 kits only pertain to the Red Eyes. So you'll notice after a certain point, the Hellcats kind of get excluded there. So let's talk about stage 1. Stage 1 for the Chally Cat brings 3.17-inch supercharger pulley from the Hellefant. So that's coming from the big 1,000 horsepower Hellefant engine crate with the combined tune, right? So obviously you want to add the tune in there with that 3.17-inch supercharger pulley. That's coming from the Hellefant. That's going to take your Hellcat from 707 or 717 to 757 and 696 pound-feet of torque. Right? So now your Hellcat is doing 757 and 695 or 696 torque. And that is GT500 numbers right there. The Mustang GT500 should be putting down right at about 750, 760 horsepower. Well, now your Hellcat can do those numbers with the Stage 1 kit. Stage 1 kit for the Red Eye brings not only new software, but a maximum of 840 horsepower and 770 pound-feet of torque. That number sounds familiar, right? Demon. In high octane mode. And that's going to give you the 3.17-inch supercharger pulley and new software for the Red Eye, taking the Red Eye from 797 to 840 in high octane mode. That's a demon. Basically, you got a demon with your Stage 1 kit for the Red Eye. Stage 2 kit, which is not available for the regular Red Eye, for the regular Hellcats. Stage 2 is not available for Hellcats. Adds the Hellefant pulley, adds the new power, and adds recalibration, which is going to take your Hellcat Red Eye from a measly 797 horsepower to a whopping 885 horsepower and 787 pound-feet of torque. So damn near you have a 900 horsepower Red Eye with the Stage 2 kit that is not available for regular Hellcats, only the Red Eye. So your Red Eye goes from 797 to 885 with the advent of the Stage 2 kit, which comes with new software, Hellefant pulley, and recalibration that brings the power to 885 horsepower, 787 pound-feet of torque. So those are the tunes and the stage kits that Dodge is currently offering with the Direct Connection program. Unfortunately, we do not have prices, but one thing that Tim Kuniskis did say, the CEO of Dodge, he literally said that it's premium pricing, which means you're going to be paying out the ass for these stage kits. Let's keep it real. For one, you're going to be paying out the ass because it's Dodge OEM. Anything that's Dodge OEM is expensive. You can take your car to Randy's and Jeff's and Tony's and have them do discount work and probably get your car to the same power. But you know, like I know, it's not backed by warranty. It's not Dodge OEM parts. It's not installed by Dodge manufacturer or Dodge service center. So there's always a chance that shit might fuck up. But when you come to Dodge, you're going to be getting the best of the best. Everything's got Mopar and Dodge on it. And everything that's done is being done by the same guys that built the cars to begin with. But you're going to be paying premium price for it. And you get a full factory warranty. So if you're not interested in performance, as far as the stage kits and the tunes are concerned, maybe you just want little knickknacks. You know, you got a Hellcat, maybe you want a new cylinder, a new intake, whatever the case may be. The benefit of the Direct Connection program is you can get just that. So you don't have to just get the tunes and the stage kits. You can actually get bits and bobs, little pieces, little knickknacks, or whatever the case may be. Hellcat owners will have access to upgraded parts such as cylinder heads, piston and rod assemblies, and high stall torque converters for the Red Eye. So not only can you get the full tunes and stage kits and all that good stuff, but you can actually get upgraded parts similar to the parts that you're getting from the Red Eye, from the Hellefant. You can get those parts installed in your Hellcat or your Red Eye. Even for the regular Challengers, now once again, they don't say anything about the Chargers in this article. I don't know why. I'm hoping it's just an editor omission, or I'm hoping it's just a situation where if it's for the Challengers, it's obviously for the Chargers, and that's what they were assuming that we would think. But regular Challengers, by regular, I'm talking about your Scats and probably your RTs, will also benefit from Hellcat parts, such as the headlight intake system. So, you know, with the Challenger Hellcat has the headlight that basically acts as a intake system where it intakes the air. You can replicate that on your Challenger RT or Scat Pack. Upgraded hood and integrated hood scoop, so now you can have a Hellcat hood, probably even a Hellcat Red Eye hood, and then the front fascia of the Hellcat Challenger, you can now put that on your regular Challengers, your regular Scats, your regular Challenger RTs, and probably even the V6s, right? So you can have your car looking like a Hellcat, although it's not a Hellcat. For you crazy racing enthusiasts, there's another component, the Challenger Drag Pack, right? Which is literally specifically made for the drag strip. It's not even street legal. Offers full racing suspension, a roll cage that's NHRA certified, complete electrical and fuel systems with a Hemi crate engine, everything from a blown 5.7 liter Hemi, all the way up to the Elephant's 1,000 horsepower with 426 engine, right? So you can do a hell of a lot to that drag pack with the direct connection program. And it's obviously going to offer all of the parts, all of the gear that you're going to need to take your Challenger from a blown 5.7 to 1,000 horsepower Elephant 426. Like I said, everything that you get from the direct connection program will be covered by Dodge's 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty or an optional 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. So essentially, once you take your Hellcat up there and you get your stage 1 or your pre-stage, from a warranty perspective, you're damn near getting a new car as far as the parts are concerned. You know, like I know that when you buy these Dodge cars, they typically offer a 3-year, 36,000-mile or 5-year, 60,000 for your powertrain. When you take your Red Eye up there, you're getting that 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, you know, which is basically almost a new car for the most part. New warranty, new car. All of the parts are backed by Dodge's warranty, so that's one thing you do not have to worry about. The only problem with all of that is, like I said earlier in the video, you will be paying every single dollar for those upgrades and modifications to your car. Nothing that Dodge does is cheap, not even the damn oil changes. Their oil changes right now, I'm paying like $126 for an oil change. Tire rotation is like $19, so when I get both of those in conjunction, like $150. You know what I'm saying? As opposed to going up here to NTB, well, they could do all that shit for like $119, $120. So you're going to pay premium dollar or premium price when it comes to Dodge parts, but you get peace of mind knowing that it's Mopar parts to begin with, so there's no fitment issues. It's Mopar service centers that's actually doing it, so you have no issues with, you know, Jose and Hose B fucking your shit up. And then, of course, it's backed by Dodge's 3 to 5 year, 36 to 60,000 mile warranty, which in and of itself is, I mean, that's, you know what I'm saying? I mean, how many times have you gotten something done at Jose's shop? He fucks it up, and 10,000 miles down the line, for whatever reason, that part of your car just drops the hell out, and you take it back to Jose, and he's like, well, you know, it was a bad part, you know? But that's going to be an extra $2,000 for us to get back in there and rip it apart and put it back together. And you're like, no, you don't have to worry about that with these Dodge parts. Dodge Direct Connection offers full warranty for everything that they do on your car, which to a lot of people in and of itself pays for itself, you know? I think it's dope to take your Hellcat from 707 to 885, which is a Demon Plus, which is more powerful than the most powerful car that Dodge has ever produced. In and of itself may be worth it up until we see how much all this shit is going to cost. They haven't released the price. They haven't released any kind of pricing guide or whatsoever for any of the parts. Even Tim says it's going to be premium, but, you know, you get what you pay for. But for all you guys that missed out on the Demons or don't have a Red Eye, this may be your chance to take your Hellcat to a Red Eye's numbers, and then take your Red Eye to a Demon's numbers, and do it the right way. You know, you don't have to take your car to Jose and Hose B and have them screwing yourself up. You can actually take it to the same dealership that you bought the car from. I think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? 885 horsepower is nothing to laugh at in any way, shape, form, or fashion. Tuning, stage kits, all that good stuff is great. I dig it. I love it. I think that it's great that Dodge is bringing it back. Tim did say in the interview, and by Tim I'm talking about the CEO of Dodge, did say that direct connection is only going to be around until 2024, which, you know, explains why, you know, that's when the all electric muscle cars should be dropping. So, you know, get it while you can, you know, boost your car while you can. You only got, realistically 2 years until everything's electric. So, get out there and have fun and take your car to the next level, man. As always, it's been your boy Knockout 360, man. Talk to me. What do you think about it? I mean, you know, you're getting a Demon for Hellcat prices. You're getting a Red Eye for Hellcat prices, or you're getting the Demon for Red Eye prices. It all depends on what the price ends up being, for the kits and for the tuners and all that stuff, right? So we'll see. As always, mini boy Knockout 360, man. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.